QuickBooks allows you to offer customers the option to use Affirm Buy Now, Pay Later for installment payments. This allows you to get paid the full amount of your invoices upfront while giving your customers the flexibility to pay over time. Let's go over how to set up Affirm at the company level, enable it for specific invoices, and what your customers see. If Affirm isn't already enabled, you can enable it at the company level so it appears on all your invoices. To start, go to Settings, then select Account and Settings. Select the Sales tab and look for the Invoice Payments section. Click anywhere within that section to adjust specific settings. Find the Buy Now, Pay Later option and check the box. Then select Save. Once enabled, Affirm will automatically appear as a payment option on your invoices. You can also manage Affirm for individual invoices. When creating or opening an invoice, select Manage to open the Settings panel. Select the Payment Options section and toggle the Buy Now, Pay Later switch on or off as needed for this specific customer invoice. Note the transaction fee, which will be deducted from the full invoice amount you receive. This is a one-time fee, not charged per installment. If your customer chooses the Affirm payment option, they'll complete Affirm's application process for a payment plan with no impact on their credit score. They'll receive a decision in real time. If approved, they can choose to spread their payments over 3 to 36 months. Their APR is based on their credit. Regardless of the payoff timeframe your customer chooses, you'll receive the full invoice amount upfront, minus standard transaction fees, and Affirm will assume all repayment risk. When your customer repays Affirm, you won't be charged any additional fees, regardless of the payment method they choose. These transactions automatically reconcile to your records, just like other payment methods. That's it. Now you're ready to offer your customers more purchasing power with Affirm Buy Now, Pay Later in QuickBooks.